Normally, we see a lot of people coughing during winter, and it's usually of no consequence whatsoever. But when the cough tends to last out for more than about a week, with or without treatment, then you start looking in for other causes which could be contributing to this. And probably that is the time for you to go and see your doctor to see what we need to do about it, especially if it is associated with other complaints like fever, chest pain, breathlessness, etc. That's the time for you to worry, not otherwise.